The Poco F6 Pro launched in China is actually a rebranded version of the Redmi K70. It's set to be launched alongside the Poco F6 in the global market on May 23rd. Fast refresh rate 2K OLED display, flagship processor, Light Hunter 800 camera sensor, super fast charging. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Poco F6 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. As I mentioned, the Poco F6 Pro is a rebranded version of the Redmi K70 from China. Although the box mentions Redmi K70, it will likely say Poco F6 Pro in India. Let's remove the plastic covering from the box. This particular unit is the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant, but the highest variant comes with 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. Opening the lid of the box, we first see a cardboard box containing the SIM ejector tool, along with a black silicone protective case. Inside the case, you'll find some textures. Let's set the phone aside for a moment. Here's the 120-watt power adapter, which comes with a Type A output. Lastly, there's a Type C to Type A cable. Now, let's remove the plastic covering from the phone and talk about its design and build. The phone comes in black color, with 3D textures on the back that look quite attractive. Although it appears to have bumps, it's actually the design of the back glass. When you change the angle of the phone, you'll notice a silver gray pattern. The phone has a flat metal frame with visible antenna lines. The frame has a matte finished pattern. It measures 8.2mm in thickness and weighs 209 grams. At the top of the phone, you'll find a triple camera setup in a rectangular module. Speaking of the Poco F6 Pro's display, it boasts a 6.67-inch OLED display with a 2K resolution. It also offers a 120Hz refresh rate. The side bezels of the display are quite slim, although the chin is slightly larger. In addition, the display offers a peak brightness of 4000 nits, and for low light conditions, it features a 3840 Hz PWM dimming feature for eye protection. Also, I'm planning to upload a detailed review of the Poco F6 Pro in the next 2 days. So, be sure to subscribe and join our tech team to catch the review first. Now, let's talk about the phone's performance. It comes equipped with last year's flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, along with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. We'll delve into the gaming performance in detail in the review video. Talking about the battery in the Poco F6 Pro, it comes with a 5000 mAh battery. For charging, you get a 120-watt charger, which, according to the company, can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. The base variant of either the Redmi K70 or the Poco F6 Pro starts from 2499 Chinese yuan, which translates to around £274 in the UK or up to $345 US. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.